Hi everyone, it's Robin. I'm here with my hashtag No Paper Left Behind progress report update. And I'm getting nervous, you guys. I'm really getting nervous. We were gone from Wednesday till this weekend over in Cherokee, North Carolina. My husband had a seminar that he had to go to at the casino and resort. I took my project with me, and I was able to work on it over there on Thursday during the day. But then, you can't work on it at night because you're right there at the casino, and even though I'm not a big gambler and all that, it was still fun to go down and play the little slot machines and stuff because that was a new experience for me. But anyway, Thursday, as I was working on this, I did go ahead and make the cover for my mini album, and it's going to be quite a thick mini album. It's going to be an 8x8. It's going to be shabby chic. I took my Distress It All tool, and I had that thing going, and I thought security is going to come up here on me. They're going to think that I'm drilling holes in the wall or constructing some sort of something there, because it sounded just like I was cutting wood or something. It was awful. So I was laughing every time that I'd run a piece of paper through it, and you have all four sides. So what I would do is do one piece and then give it a break and work on something else, and then do another piece and then give it a rest, because I was so scared. I thought that'll be so embarrassing. Security comes and knocks on my door. But I have that done. And then this is, I don't have the front of this one done yet because this is going to be my very first page for the album, and I don't know what I'm going to use for the front and the inside front and back covers yet, and I like for them to coordinate. But this will be page number 2, so I have it done, except for I need to go back and, put a little embellishment right here to hide this magnet. Really should have just put it underneath that, but that's okay. And then it opens this way, and this moves, and this moves up and down, slides up and down. Of course, I can't do it right now on camera, So that slides up and down like that. But I still need to go in and do my tags and stuff, and I know that will eat up a lot of the paper because I'm getting really nervous about not using enough. And then there's this page that will coordinate. So this is like page number 2, then page number 3. And at the end of all this, I will go through and open everything for you and show you everything. But then it opens like that. In detail, I'll show it to you. So then this will be page 2, 3. This will be page number 4 that I have done. And then I'm working on page number 5 here. I'm going to put this little bird here and this little thing here. So, about halfway through, plus all my tags and stuff, but this is what I have left so far. And I'm getting a little nervous. And remember, I'm going to try to use all of this, what was left of this 6x6 stuff as well. So I know that there's going to be cards and stuff, but I need something that is going to start eating up some serious paper. But then I have all this paper left. So, don't know. And then I have these little scraps and stuff, plus all of these embellishments, and I'm wanting to use these huge embellishments in the mini album because I just can't see me using those humongous embellishments on a card. So those, they have to be in this album somewhere, I think. But then see, I have all this and a few more little scraps, but I'm keeping up with all of it. And then here in the embellishment bag, there's some solid pieces in here, and I'm not going to include those as a failure because they're not part of the collection, but they're ones I'm using. And then, but there are a few more pieces in there and scraps. So anyway, that's where I'm at, you guys. I have my surgery on the 27th of this month. They're taking my gallbladder as well as my appendix out. Had a really rough day yesterday. It's probably the roughest day I've roughest day I've had since all this started. Stayed in bed pretty much all day, but I'm feeling better today. It's doable. I can deal with this much kind of discomfort. Yesterday was rough though, but I am hitting this hard today, so wish me luck, guys. I'm trying. I hope I can do this. I would hate to think that the first month I joined this, that I failed. But anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks for subscribing. Talk to you later. Bye.